Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chem Solution. I am back with my new video. Today we'll discuss on chemical bonding. Okay, I am starting the new chapter, chemical bonding. It is the chapter of class 11th chemistry, and let's start. Actually, first of all, let you know that what is chemical bond. Chemical bond, it is just attraction. It is attraction between two atoms. Why? Because of the sake and stability of because of sake of stability, because elements want to attain the stability, atoms want to attain the stability. Okay, stability. And another reason was to share and transfer electron, and to share and transfer electron. So this is the chemical bond. Okay, now let's move toward the part where we discuss about types of chemical bond. There are three types of chemical bond. Types of chemical bond. Number one is ionic bond. Number two is covalent bond. And number three will be coordinate bond. Okay, so these two bonds, ionic and covalent bond, we will study in class 11th, and this coordinate bond we will study in class 12th in the chapter coordination compound. Next, now let's start with ionic bond. How ionic bond form? Bond formed due to transfer of electron. Bond formed due to transfer of electron. To attain the stability, to attain the octet. Okay, so it is a strong electrostatic attraction. Strong electrostatic force of attraction between cations and anions. We can say between cations and anions. Between cations and anions. Next, for example, let me take one example of this ionic bond. We will take the example NaCl. Okay, sodium chloride. In Na you can see the electronic number of sodium is 11. So we will write the configuration 2, 8 and 1. Okay, there is one electron in the outermost shell, and next is Cl. The electron configuration according to it is 20 is the atomic number, and electron configuration will be 17. It will be 17. Chlorine is on 17. So the atomic number electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 7. Now see what happens in an ionic bond. This one electron will go and transfer to chlorine. Okay, and its octet become complete. It will be 2, 8, 8. Okay, and sodium will also remain with 2, 8, and this both octet are complete. So it will form Na, give the electron and become plus, and Cl will accept the electron and become minus. Okay, this is about the ionic bond. Next, what do you mean by the properties of ionic bond? There are so much property of ionic bond. Before with that, we can discuss more example on it. CaO, calcium. 20 is the atomic number. Electron configuration 2, 8, 8. N2, and O oxygen. Its atomic number is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon 8. Okay, so we can write 2 and 6. Now this 2 electron will go and accepted by oxygen, and it become 2 8, and its oxidation is complete. Okay, so it will be Ca plus and O2 minus. Okay, then it will form CaO. Clear? So Ca2 plus and these both will cancel and become CaO. Next example is of Na2O. You can see the by electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 electrons of oxygen, and in nitrogen, in sodium, there is only 1 electron. Okay, it will given to the oxygen, and one more nitrogen will come and accepted. Oxygen will accept 2 electrons by 2 nitrogen transferred, and it will become 2 Na plus and O2 minus. This O2 minus will cancel, and it will become Na2O. Okay, so this is all about ionic bond and its example. Let me discuss the properties. What are the properties of ionic bond? Properties of ionic bond. So first of all, they are crystalline solid. They are crystalline solid. Okay, next, they have high melting and boiling point. They have high melting and boiling point. Why? Because they have strong force of attraction between them, melting and boiling point, due to force of attraction, strong force of attraction. These are the two properties of ionic bond. Third one is they are water soluble. They are water soluble. But alcohol insoluble. It is insoluble in alcohol. Alcohol insoluble. Last property of ionic bond: in solid state they are bad conductor of electricity. In solid state they are bad conductors of electricity. But in molten state and in aqueous state they are good conductors. Remember that. But in aqueous or molten state they are good conductors. Good conductors. Clear? So this is the properties of ionic bond, and this is the general introduction of ionic bond. Let's move towards next topic, that is covalent bond. Now covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron. Sharing of electrons. In simple words, it shares an electron and atoms get oxidized, stabilized. Example I am taking. For single covalent bond, there are types of covalent bond: single, double and triple. So single covalent bond, I am taking the example of Cl2. Okay, so 2 Cl will be there. What is the configuration? 2, 8 and 7 according to the atomic number. Its configuration also 2, 8 and 7. So 7 are the electrons. Outermost shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7. Now it will share one electron and become single bond. This electron is shared one electron is shared and one electron is there shared, then it will be like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. This electron will come here, both of them, 3 4 5 and 6. Like this is the sharing, if they are sharing of electron and becoming the C double bond, C triple Cl double bond, triple bond, single bond Cl. Okay. Next example is of oxygen O2. There is double bond between oxygen. See that one pair will be, one pair is equal to single bond. One pair means 2 electron, single bond, and 2 pair will be, there will be 4 electrons. Okay, let's see in oxygen case. 2 and 6. 6 are the electrons outermost shell. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how the electron will shared? 2 3 4 5 6, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. These electrons are shared by that. Okay, and these electrons will be shared like this. Yeah, like this. So it will form O double bond O. There is a double bond between oxygen. Clear? Next, I am taking the example of triple bond N2. It is very simple concept. Okay, 2 and 5. 5 are the electrons of outermost shell. So 1 2 3 4. There will be 3 pairs. This will be the bonding. So N triple bond, N will be there. Okay, let me take one more last example of CO2. See, 2 and 4. 4 are the electrons. There are 4 electrons. 1 2 3 4. Oxygen 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now this will be the sharing like this, 4, and here it will be 2. And this will share, oxygen will share like this. Carbon will share with both the oxygen. Okay, carbon is sharing with both the oxygen like this. Then C double bond O, C double bond O, because two pairs are sharing by both of them. Okay, this is all about ionic and covalent bond. I hope you understand. I will do full chapter of chemical bonding, and this is the first video. So please like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.